everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's to everyone. I hope everyone having a very beautiful start to their 2017. Thank you for coming back, and if you're new, thank you for joining. Today I have a DIY table centerpiece for Valentine's Day date night. You can also use this for weddings or any other type of event that's personal for you and your loved one. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. Okay, I want to start by saying that everything that I am using in this video will be in the description box down below, so look out for that. You want to first start by painting all of your letters. I'm painting my old red just to give it a little different twist to it. So yeah, go ahead and paint all your letters like so. You don't have to stack the letters on top of each other. You can also leave it like this. It still looks very elegant, very beautiful. So it's really up to you how you want to do your letters. After all your letters are painted and dry, you can start putting on your crystals like so. I just went all out and did all of my letters. You could do one letter, you can do 2 letters. It's really up to you what you want to do and how you want to personalize your love sign. This is how my O looked after it was done and finished. So now what you want to do is put a layer of Mod Podge on all of your letters like so. This will help to keep your letters nice and smooth, and mine was a glossy coat, so the letters came out glossy. Now I'm gluing my 2 heart stickers and my bow onto my piece of yarn to embellish my O. Once again, you do not have to do this. You can personalize it however you want. So have fun, get creative, and enjoy this whole process. Now it's time to stack and glue your letters. You want the V under the L and the O above the E. Once again, the V under the L and the O above the E, and your sign should come out the way the pictures looked in the beginning of this video. Now, let's get on to the next part of the video. Okay, so you want to start by sticking your heart stickers onto the top part of the wine glass, like so. Now you want to go ahead and glue down your floral foam to the bottom part of your wine glass, and then start hot gluing all of your flowers onto the foam. You can arrange it however you like. You can use whatever flowers you like, colors you like. Once again, you could go ahead and just personalize it however you like to personalize it. It is your choice. Get creative with it and just have fun doing it. That's the whole purpose of these pieces, is to just get creative and to have fun. Okay, so my flowers came with these two foam hearts, which I am going to stick at the top of my centerpiece. This is how the centerpiece looks after putting all your flowers onto it. And now I am sticking my foam hearts onto the top. Here is the finished product of the wine glass centerpiece. Now you just put your tea light underneath, and this is what it will look like when it's dark. I added extra candles to give it more light. I also added one of our photos to add my personal touch to our dinner date centerpiece. So once again, you can do whatever you like to do to give it your own personal touch. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed making this video. Until next time.
But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby.